Well, here we are, our next project, a 2022 Grand Design Reflection 31 MB. It's a 31-foot mid-bunk slide out. Bought this at Copart last week. You can live in these. So we shall see. Do a quick walk around some of the things that we've found that we need to fix. Looks like this one was drug through a ditch or something because the back wall was bent out a little bit. The Insta-Hot water heater was busted because somebody forgot to winterize it. Well, I guess it probably sat in the Copart yard. Got pass-through storage. No propane tanks. Got to get new ones of those. But yeah, we'll have to take that out and see if we can fix that copper pipe that froze. It's got a furnace. This is the middle bunk room slide. It's got the Swinnick, I think it is, slides, which I'm not a huge fan of, but the newer ones have it. So when I took it off the jacks at the Copart yard, I noticed that this side was very low to the ground, didn't have much clearance. Upon further inspection, that's the leaf spring. That's supposed to be a smile. It's quite flat and bent even on the end. So we ended up not having much clearance. And you can see where the tire was rubbing on the bottom. And it even cut through the wires that run the slide out. We temporarily wired that back just to see if the slide out motors work. And they do. But we're going to have to do some more repairs there. These springs were 5,200 pound axle springs, and I have ordered new springs for it that are 6,000 pound axle springs. So hopefully they will give it a little more lift and make it a little more weight compensating, I guess you could say. But this is where most of the damage was. This panel here was behind here. This frame attaches to the floor. At this corner, it was kicked out a little bit from the weight of the slide, I guess. So I've put it back, reattached this wall. Now I'm putting back this cover, replacing this trim piece. It is a 50 amp service, so it's got 2 air conditioners. Same thing on this side. The wall wasn't attached to the floor anymore, so I put a bracket underneath that comes up the stud, and then a big long structural screw up through the stud on this side and this side. It's got vacuum bonded fiberglass sides, aluminum framing. This is a slide for a couch in the pantry. It's got electric awning. It's got a little TV compartment. No TV, but nice little storage area. And here is the other side of the pass-through storage. Aluminum framing there, you can see. Slam latches. Does have a little bit of a damage here. I don't know what I'm going to do about that yet. And of course, another propane tank. That's missing. It does have the auto leveling system right here. More storage underneath the front. And it's got the, I think they call that a one-touch screen in here, where you can see you can do different stuff with this screen. Turn on lights, set the awning, move the slide outs out and level it. And I have one of these on mine. There's the Linko for the tire pressure monitoring system, but I don't think the module's in it. But you can attach this thing to your phone with a password, and you can do it all via your phone. But all in all, it's in really nice shape. It's very clean. Put some new springs on it. Fix a booth. The booth in the back, as you know, RVs are not built super well. The booth in the back had some damage, so I took it out. And you come in, there's the middle bunk room. The top is raised on a gas cartridge, so it gets up out of the way if you don't need a bunk. It's a nice room. It's got a window up top, cabinets for storage, drawers there, shelves there, and then you got pass through to the kitchen area, which this is a little loose. Got to reattach it. Nice furniture. Couch has lights, massaging, and heat. 3 recliners. And this area is the booth. It's a J booth or a U booth. I'm gonna rebuild that structural wise. Put it back. Got a fireplace, TV, stove, microwave, refrigerator. This is the hallway up to the primary bedroom. Queen size bed. Shadows. Queen size bed, 2 windows, and it's also got a TV. It's got a cabinet over here. The door broke off. I got to fix some more drawers. Another air conditioner control. This is out of the track. And then the bed, I guess it's the only bathroom. Cabinet, stand-up shower, medicine cabinet, and drawers. Well, that's the camper. Let's get into it. Starting today with the water heater.